Alright, we're gonna do this again. Look, it was my first day back in the office, so I had to dress up nice, I had to dress up accordingly. Now I will admit my hair, on the other hand, is not cooperating to the best, but if you're here for looks, I'll link you to my beauty channel. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we have an experiment. Now, when I upgraded, I installed the LED headlights. I had a lot of comments in the comment section looking out for me. Let's put it at that. There was two things that people mostly commented about. One, that the LED had a fan that was a minus, like that's a downside to having LEDs. Number two, hot wires and the wiring in general, stating it's gonna get too hot or it's gonna burn some cables. It's gonna do something crazy to the truck. That's what we're testing in today's video. Now, if you don't know, I have LED headlights, LED fog lights. These are absolutely beautiful, linked in the top of the description. First ever coupon code. Support the people that support me by, well, clicking on that link. I do get a commission. Everything that you purchase through there is much appreciated. Coupon code Aing if you're interested, 15% off. Check it out, it's worth it. And I'll prove it in today's video. The truck is already on and I left it on for, you know, the simple reason that I want the headlights to be on for as long as they can be before I test and see how hot they actually are. How hot, you know, is it like burning or melting the thing? It shouldn't be hot to the touch. So I'm gonna check it out. If these are way too hot, then I'll check them and see. I don't think they will be, but of course, you know, why not? Without further ado, we got some stuff to do. So let's go ahead and drive, and at every stop, we'll check at how hot they are. Yeah, does that make sense? Okay, let's go. It's hot, it's 63 degrees out, and well, we're rolling. Now, like I said, first day of work, they promised me food, right? They were like, oh, we're gonna have lots of food there. I had 2 slices of pizza. So your boy's starving. I don't know, I'm kind of craving some steaks or maybe some Italian. I don't know. I know a subscriber told me not to be driving with my gas tank this low. I apologize. I don't know, I got distracted, and I've been meaning to fill up because in one of my most recent videos I was talking about how Wawa was doing like 14 cents off of their gas for like the whole month of October, and I had like the last 3 days of October to myself, busy with work, but to myself, and I should have filled up like one of these past couple days. So I am a little bit upset that I missed out on the 14-cent coupon code thing. But nonetheless, do you think the LEDs are gonna heat up, overheat? I see a lot of people in the comments before I even made this video actually have the same LEDs that I have now. So, I don't know, I think it'll be fine. All right, so we've been driving around 20 to 30 minutes at very most. Lights are just now about to come off. Let's go, oh gosh. Let's go and see if I can feel any heat at all. We still got a few other things to do. So this is the first of many. Whoa, look at that Mustang, that's a beast. Okay, let's turn off the truck though. Ah. Oh God, the camera's about to fall. The camera's about to fall. So I changed out these. So let's see. So I'm touching all of them and they all feel the same. The high beams aren't warm at all because I'm not using them. But yeah, no, they don't feel hot at all. So first test, we're good. We're here at Glory Days. We were supposed to go get either steak or Italian, but it's fine. We're good, we're good. The other thing people were saying was like, since it had a fan, well, it was gonna cause more problems and it wasn't good. And to that point, I wanna say I changed the halogen lights at night after I had been using the bulbs. At Wawa, it was extremely hot. Ended up burning my fingers grabbing onto the bulb, which, I mean, I don't know if this fan will help me not burn myself, but I think it helps. I definitely don't think it's as much as a downside as people think it is. I think it improves your reliability of it as long as your longevity of it. So usually anything with more tech fails sooner, so that's what I'm assuming with these. But I mean, for the benefit it gives you, I don't mind buying these every 2-3 years, so I think it's worth it. We're about to drive a little bit longer, see how these do, and we'll go from there. Last time it was 40, now we're way past that. So I'm hoping hoping we can do under 45. I'm hoping we can do under 47. Okay guys, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. I am struggling financially here, okay? If I stop at exactly at 54, you have to like. Let's go. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is actually so funny. Alrighty, so in my last video I said if I didn't teach you anything, then I would shout out your YouTube channel. I think only one person said it, but there's a lot of really good comments in here. Don't go down the trail, likely a homeless camp. That one was pretty funny. There was another one here. Start the walk, bro. I was number 52. I haven't even seen how many likes it has. Let's see here. Let's see here. Was it deer poop? Bro, I have no idea, nor would I want to find out. Your SR5 came with turn signals. Shout out to you. You have a power outlet in your SR5. What a legend. I love my SR5. I love mine as well. And then nothing new. So if you want to be featured in my next video, leave a like, leave a comment, and we'll go from there. All right, so now we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna turn off the lights, and I'm gonna head out there, see what this is like. I have no idea. I was hoping, right? I was hoping that he bought an off-road. One of my neighbors had a sick Jeep. I'm not gonna show his truck, but he has a very nice off-road in magnetic gray. I don't know, it just made me happy because he's had a Jeep, and you know the rivalry between the two, and he had like 3 Jeeps in front of his house, and I've been going through Tacomas like crazy. Since I've been in my home, I've had 3 different Tacomas, so hey, it's a bug. It's a bug. So let's get inside and see what's going on here. After this video, one, I need to do the hood strut mod. I need to get a headlamp. I need to get lights underneath my hood. Should I take that paper off? I feel like it's making noises that, I don't know, maybe shouldn't be being made, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and see. The cable's down there. So I'm gonna grab onto it now and see. Hopefully I don't get burned. The daytime running lights and the LEDs feel just the same. Yeah, no difference. So there you go. I've used these. I've been using these literally since I got out of work. So for the past 2 hours, I've just had them on just to show you guys if there's any difference, and there's absolutely no difference. Also, quick side note, I've been hesitant on doing modifications on my truck. I want to do things that like I actually use day to day. And right now, I'm thinking about doing the remote start. I did the remote start on Sandy's car. I wish I could show you guys, but she has her car. She has her key inside. But I did the remote start myself, and it came out good. It works. The first day I used it, it didn't, but it hasn't failed us yet. Alrighty, man. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Let me know. Do you guys have some LEDs, or have you had a past experience with LEDs that kind of scares you, kind of spooks you? Get it? Because it was Halloween yesterday. That kind of spooks you where the wires got hot. Some people say they've had, as you can see in the comment section. I think it was in yesterday's video. Let me know. I personally haven't had that problem yet, and I hope I don't ever have that problem. If I do, I'll let you know. In my next video, I'll go down that trail that I went to yesterday, figure out what's at the end of it. Hopefully we get that video and you don't see me on the news as a missing person, because that would suck. And the best comment will also get featured in my next video. I don't know what the best comment is. Figure it out. You guys are pretty funny. My last video had some pretty funny comments. One of them was talking about how since I made a bad joke, I stepped in, you know, the poop. So nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm Ryan Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Peace.